Yo, what is going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we are talking Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious. So for all of my Fast and Furious car fans out there, we have 3 different sets to open up. They are Fast Rewind, Fast Tuners, and Motor City Muscle. I've already opened up the series that come before these models, which were Fast Imports, Original Fast, Quarter Mile Muscle, and Furious Off-Road, so you guys can check those videos out if you haven't already seen them. As for the 3 sets we have right here, 2019 ended with Fast Rewind and 2020 began with Fast Tuners and Motor City Muscle. I think it's time to pop these packages open and take a look at the Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious cars out of the box. Our first car from Fast Rewind is the red Mazda RX-3. Featuring 8-spoke Real Riders wheels, this car is based on the 95 Mazda RX-7 from the Fast and the Furious. Number 2 is the yellow Nissan Skyline C210, which sits on a set of classic 4-spoke Real Riders wheels and is based on the Nissan Skyline GTR R33, also from the Fast and the Furious. As for number 3 in the series, this one is the silver Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX. Featuring 8-spoke Real Riders wheels, this car is reminiscent of the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 from Too Fast, Too Furious. Now for the 4th car in Fast Rewind, which is the gray Nissan FAIRLADY Z. This car rocks a set of classic 4-spoke Real Riders wheels and is similar to the Nissan 350Z from the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. The final car in Fast Rewind is the beautiful blue Nissan SILVIA CSP 311 with classic 4-spoke Real Riders wheels. It's based on the Nissan SILVIA S15 from the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. Speeding into our next set, which is Fast Tuners. The first car in this series is the red Mazda RX-7 FD with Real Rider exotic wheels, driven by Orange Julius in Too Fast, Too Furious. Up next is number 2 out of 5 in Fast Tuners. It's the gray Nissan SILVIA S15 with chrome 10-spoke Real Riders wheels, a glossy black hood, and appears in the film Fast and Furious. Moving on to number 3 out of 5 in the series, this one is the gold Nissan 240SX S14 with 6-spoke mag Real Riders wheels. It also appears in the film Fast and Furious. Model number 4 in Fast Tuners is one of my personal favorites from the movie Fast and Furious. It's the yellow Honda Civic EG with a black hood riding low on a set of black 6-spoke mag Real Riders wheels. Finishing off Fast Tuners, we have number 5, the white 2016 Subaru WRX STI, riding on a set of white Real Rider 10-spoke rims. This one is from the movie The Fate of the Furious. Moving into Motor City Muscle. The first car in this series is the red Ford F-150 SVT Lightning with Preferred Series Real Riders and from the movie The Fast and the Furious. Taking a look at some more muscle, we have number 2 in the series, which is the metallic green 72 Ford Gran Torino Sport with 10-spoke Real Riders wheels and appears in the movie Fast and Furious. Motor City Muscle number 3 is the black 87 Buick Grand National GNX. This muscle machine has black 8-dot Real Rider rims and is another car from the film Fast and Furious. For number 4 out of 5 in Motor City Muscle, we have the metallic gold 66 Chevy Nova with 5-spoke mag-type Real Rider rims. This one is the first car from the movie Fast 5. Finishing off our Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious cars, number 5 out of 5 is the red 61 Impala with 5-spoke chrome Real Riders wheels. This one is also from the movie The Fate of the Furious. Check it out, guys. These Fast and Furious premium models look so good out of the box. You see the incredible paint jobs, the really cool wheels, and the great details all around these cars. It's definitely pretty neat that Fast Rewind is a flashback series with some of the most popular Fast and Furious styled cars, but I also enjoy the new additions from Fast Tuners and Motor City Muscle. Be sure to let me know in the comments below which of these series you guys like the most, or if you prefer one of the older sets like Original Fast. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, make sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next video.